Every officer knows that it's possible they will be involved in a critical incident, an officer-involved shooting or an in-custody death. These scenarios are discussed in the police academy, in field training, and officers are placed on perimeters or are witnesses to these incidents on a regular basis. I've covered critical incidents from an officer's perspective in previous videos, and this week I'm going to talk about a lesser known impact of these incidents, how they impact spouses, family members, and significant others. I'm Steve Cerbalic, and I'm a panel attorney for AZCOPS in Arizona. Critical incidents often happen in a split second. Officers don't usually come to work thinking that today will be the day that they will need to use deadly force. When critical incidents happen, departments mobilize significant resources to investigate what happened and to provide support to involved officers. But what can be overlooked is the impact that these incidents have on families. So here are some factors to keep in mind. If you're involved in a critical incident, call for help immediately. Even if it's a straightforward incident, call for a lawyer like me to respond. I can help you articulate what occurred to make sure the investigation is accurate and complete. The second call should be to your spouse or significant other. Critical incidents often make the news, and the rumor mill works fast. So it can help put your family at ease if they hear your voice and know that you're being taken care of. Next, I've discussed stress responses for involved officers. Incidents can replay in your head. They can cause sleeplessness or stress for you in the hours that follow, but they also can cause the same stress response for family members. While significant others know in their mind that the job of a police officer can be dangerous, it's sometimes a different story when incidents actually occur. It's often stressful for significant others because they aren't at the scene, and I don't recommend that husbands or wives come to the scenes either, but it's important to focus on the task at hand during the investigation phase. This does create concerns for families waiting and wondering what's going on, even if they know that the involved officer is okay. After incidents, when an officer comes back home, spouses can have the same stress responses, and sometimes they feel like they can't talk to the involved officer because they don't want to add additional stress. So here's my recommendation. Honestly communicate with your significant other about what happened. Sometimes there's no need to go into every detail, but good communication about how this impacts you is important. Also, use your department resources to connect your spouse with options for follow-up. Most departments offer support for families of involved officers, and AZCOPS has resources available for family members as well. If you need support for either yourself or your family after a critical incident, feel free to call AZCOPS. The number is below. We can help connect you to resources. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Be on the lookout for new videos. They come out every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Cerbalic. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.